walking in this bitch. Gonna fry some fish. About to make a wish. Where my genie at? I'ma make it in this bitch. What up, it's JoJo. We are playing Rhythm Sprout. Yes, another rhythm game. I know. I got all these games at the same time. So obviously they're going to share some type of common theme. So Rhythm Sprout. It sounds all dancey and shit. I don't remember much about it, if anything, honestly. So we're just going to get into this together. Thumbs up for this shit. Thumbs up for positivity if you like this shit. Make sure that you like this shit. And make sure you subscribe for more of this awesomeness. Let's fucking go! I'm sorry. Sprout. 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 Sprout! Sorry. Did you fall? They sound like, Animal Crossing. Did you fall asleep while I was talking? Have you been listening to a word I've been saying? How rude. The cheek. What does that mean? Is that a saying somewhere? Do people say that? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. You've done it now, mister. I completely lost my train of thoughts. What was I even talking about? It was something important. I can feel it. Yes. Come on. The invasion, sire. Ah, yes. Of course. I guess I'm gonna have to start from the beginning. You don't have to. Do not make me repeat myself again, or there will be severe consequences. But I am a benevolent ruler. I shall let it go. For now. So generous. And sexy. Who are these people to you? Remember, you are the chosen onion. It is your duty to protect us. Honestly, Sprout, I hope you weren't expecting me, the king, to go tag along with your little adventure. I am very busy. I brought you here for a good reason. They're coming, Sprout. Steadily marching towards the vegetable kingdom. Our informant has confirmed it. The army of sugary sweets is upon us. They're coming to get us all, and they answer only to one man. A man who, rumor has it, is the very essence of evil. King Sugar Daddy! Alright. Alright, King Sugar Daddy. That's kind of gangster. I don't know who he thinks he is, but he has to be stopped. At all costs. Like, if you need to sacrifice yourself for the good of the kingdom, that's okay by me. You have my permission. Your name will be written into the history books as my humble assistant. What could be more honorable? Honorable. I'm sure you understand. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some delicious grapes that I need to pompously devour to show everyone exactly who's in charge around here. Run along now. Go save my kingdom. Alright, so we're Onion. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Oh, I almost forgot. Silly me. Would you find my daughter, Princess Cauliflower, while you're out there? I heard she's been missing for like a month, or, you know, whatever the fuck. Who actually cares? I wrote her this strongly worded letter. Give it to her when you find her. We got Brock's letter. Okay, now to those grapes. Bye! Alright. So, this very absent father, who is also a king of some sort, And I'm an onion and a tracksuit. And I'm a knight as well. I don't know. Press the corresponding hit bar with the notes when the notes are inside of the hit bar. Okay. I don't think I read that right, but whatever. Okay. All right. So this is how we move. Oh. Hold on. This is kind of fire. What the fuck? This is unique as hell. Or maybe it isn't, I don't know. Hold on, is that spacebar? Oh, it's like, what's that, Guitar Hero? Like the star power. So we hit space and we get our power. Shit, I looked ahead at what this blue thing was. Check mark? Checkpoint? That's a check mark. That was fun. 3 stars, easy. Oh, come the French toast. It's because in the beginning I pressed left and right to see whether I was supposed to press left and right. And then I didn't know to press spacebar because it never told me. At least I don't think it did. But it's all good. It's all good. It's fine. It's okay. X modes are extra modes that spice up each level. Activate some or even all of these modes on your favorite levels for an extra challenge. Okay. Play. How do I do X mode? Complete once to unlock X mode. Okay. Autumn Fields. Autumn Fields. So we're walking, and I'm guessing we'll attack at some point because that's who we are. And we're doing a story, and he's just on his morning jog, his morning little trot, you know, his power walk. And we're just going out there for the king to do something. I don't know what that something is, but it's something. Farmer Carrot. Help! That was good, right? Oh, Lord. Oh, it's you. I was hoping for someone better, but, oh well. You gotta help me, buddy. There's some kind of creature out there floating around my house. I'm usually a very brave man, but this time, even I got scared. Strong men also cry. Anyways, it was so scary that I had to abandon my daily chores. Convenient! When my wife gets back from town, she will not be happy. Oh man. The house is a complete mess. I forgot to lock the front door. And the kitchen is filthy. The refrigerator door is open. And I think I even left the stove on. Oh shoot. The toilet seat is up too. And my dirty socks are lying next to the laundry hamper. I think that's it though. Oh no! I forgot to flush! My wife is gonna kill me! My kids will think even less of me. If you think you noticed the cut, you didn't notice the cut. My kids will think even less of me. I don't remember his voice, so that should let you know that it's been a second. They already think I'm useless, but this will be the last straw. I'm just gonna change his voices sporadically. Come on, buddy! Help me out here. Wait, didn't he say he wasn't even happy to see me? Oh God, so sorry. That burp came from deep within, deep down in the soul, in the nether regions. Can you go and take care of that floating creature by my house so I can go home? Yeah, bitch. Never doubted you for a second. I'm gonna go hide over by some bushes while you take care of business. Thanks, see ya. Oh, I would stay away from the bathroom if I were you. Yeah, because you shat it all in there. You shat it, you shit it, you shart it. Everywhere, all over the place. There's poo on the fucking ceiling. Lose 1 HP if skipped. Left, right, down. Okay. So down instead of space? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, hold on. Hey. What? Oh, God. This is kind of hard. But and not hard at the same time. What is that? What the fuck? Oh! What the fuck? Ah! Oh! What the fuck? This is too much. It's so crazy going from Metatone to this, because Metatone was all chill. This one's hype as hell. God! Scared me again. Damn! Ah! Ah! I keep pressing the wrong button. Obviously. I'm gonna just go to spacebar. I'm gonna switch back to spacebar for that. Cause trying to press down is throwing me off. What the fuck? God, that was insane. I really enjoyed it though. Damn, I kept fucking up the combo. I kept messing up the combo. I'm gonna switch. Instead of pressing down, I'm gonna go back to the spacebar because my brain mixes up the down and the right button because I has a big dum hit. Oh Lord. So wait. Was that it? Did we end up doing what we were supposed to do there, or I don't know why I felt like there was more. I don't know why. All right, let's go. Oh my God. All right, now that I am good, and by good I mean am aware of the flow of the game. I got it now. Hey. Oh, this is King Brock. I mean, greetings. It's King Brock. Have you saved the kingdom yet? You're so slow. Are you even trying? I knew you couldn't be trusted. But I do have a feeling that you're heading in the right direction. I have a strong sense about these things. I'm a king. Everyone knows kings can predict the future. Some may even call this ability spooky. Now get back to your adventure, you lazy bum. What's that? Cauliflower? That's right. The princess. Anyway, it's been fun chatting. Let's do it again sometime. I'm gonna be a voice actor when I grow up. Yeah, tell me if that's good or if I just sound like myself. You know what I mean? Psst. Yeah, this is how Penny talks. Yeah, you. Get over here. Who are you talking to just now? Oh, my throat is not gonna like this. Yeah, dude. Who was it? I wouldn't go that way if I were you. Sorry. The haunted mansion is over there. That's Count Ariel's place. Whatever. He sucks. Like a lot. I don't remember what he sounds like, so he's just gonna be whatever I want him to be. Like a lot. One time he told me a joke. It wasn't funny. One time, wait, hold on, wrong voice. What? One time he showed me a YouTube video. It was boring. Snore. Yeah, dude. So what are you doing in our woods? Yeah! What up? I don't know what he sounds like. One character. You try to give me multiple characters at the same time? I gotta write down what I sound like. What's happening? I don't even know what's happening. I'm over here geeking. King Sugar Daddy. Sugar. King Sugar Daddy, huh? Never heard of him. God. Princess Cauliflower. I can't. I think she went to Count Ariel's place. More like Count a smell. That's exactly how they laugh. One time he bought me flowers. I can't do anyone's voices anymore. That's actually kind of nice. Still sucks though. How long has this beat been going? Damn. I wish I got flowers. Can y'all get on? I'm losing. I can't even keep up with what's happening because I'm over here trying to make voices. King Sugar Daddy. He's the boss of those ice creams that showed up recently. Oh, yeah. I think I overheard Cauliflower talking about him too. Hey. Dude. You seem pretty cool. Wanna join our gang? It's mushrooms only. We could do some pretty cool things together. What do you say, champ? Sure, whatever. Guys, he bought it. Gotcha, nerd. Yeah, loser. Beat it. Meow, 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 meow. Okay. I'm the only one who felt like that all went on entirely too long. All right, so we're pressing spacebar instead of down. That way I don't have to mess up the right in the other arrow. Damn. Shit. It's kind of hard. That's what she said. Woo! Dang! Oh shit, ice cream cone. That right there? All right, we got it. Did I miss one? I did. Oh my God! Woo! I want to see one of these on hard. This is so smooth. Down, 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 down. smack this shit. Here we go. Okay, okay. Spacebar is only for star power, apparently. Shit. The moment I had to press down. Okay. So how do I know when I can use the star power? Oh, right there? So if I hit spacebar now? Nope, nope. Everything was going so great. That was hard. And I mean like fire. Man, we were doing so well. We were doing so, I probably would have got it if I wouldn't have. Right at the end, thinking I could press, I don't know when I can press spacebar unless it just tells me. You can now change Sprout's appearance in the skin menu. Okay, cool. Oh, we got a green tracksuit now. All right, we're gonna do one more. The haunted house. This shit's kind of hot, yo. I'm not gonna lie, right? And I understand, but I thought that I wouldn't necessarily be content with going straight into another rhythm game after just finishing Melatonin. You know what I mean? Because Melatonin was such a good time, but this game sets itself apart so drastically in its own way in comparison to Melatonin that it's, even though it's still a rhythm game, if it's its own thing, you know what I mean? And it's always good when rhythm games can just do their own shit, you know, make their own way. I fucks with that. Who dares stand to my domain? I don't know who I am now. I see. The chosen onion Sprout. You have done well in coming this far, but your journey ends here. For it is I, the great Count who shall put an end to your noble quest. Once and for all. There's no use in struggling. You have already lost, little man. Come find me in my study if you wish to live. No, seriously. Please come and find me. The door is open. Mustache. Okay. Guess we're going in now. When prompted, spam left and right buttons to rack up extra points. Some enemies must be taken down with a finishing move. Okay. Shit! I did beat! Damn! Shit! What was that? Hold on. We're starting over. I'm not used to them throwing down arrows, you know, down prompts in the thing. So it just caught me off guard. So sorry about that. But we're just gonna start over. We didn't go that long. It starts off so hard though. Coming in your butt. Sorry. I'm not. Fuck, yo. I double tapped. We're gonna do this one again on hard. I just want to see what they do. Woo! God. What the fuck? Shit, why did I press that? Walking in this bitch. Gonna fry some fish. About to make a wish. Where my genie at? I'ma make it in this bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit. Oh god. Oh god. I can't. What's happening? What the fuck? I'm starting to sweat. This shit goes hard. What the fuck? Oh my god, yo. Oh my god. That was so fire. That shit was crazy. Come on. Yo. That was such a vibe. We got a baseball bat. Smacking bitches. All right, so we put it on turbo mode. I thought there was like a hard mode, but there are different things. Beginner mode, mirror mode, turbo mode, which is what we put on, and randomizer, which does a couple of things, but in my opinion, it doesn't make it harder. So turbo mode makes it faster. And it's funny because depending on the speed, I sometimes do better with faster. I don't know why. Let's see if that maintains its truth. I forgot about the downs. Oh! Fire! Give it to me, baby. Oh, baby. Give it to me. Shit. What? It's because I started talking about give it to me, baby. Oh my god! Let's go, let's I couldn't talk. I couldn't breathe. I don't think I was breathing just now. I want to keep going. I definitely did better that time, but that could be because we already knew what to do. How? You got to get borderline perfect on that shit. All right. This is fun. I can't be the only one who thinks that, right? We knocked out, I mean, I guess 3 levels, 4 levels, and there's a bunch of levels. If I had to guess, I'd say 20. I don't feel like counting, but it looks like 20. So we're gonna keep playing this. I'm not always just gonna do like 4 levels. I'll do as many as I feel makes sense. But yeah, man, thumbs up for this shit, y'all. Thumbs up for positivity. If you like this shit, make sure that you like this shit. What's this game called? Rhythm Sprout. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. You know, leave a thumbs up, all that good shit. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. If that's copyright by somebody, I apologize. Make sure you subscribe for more of this awesomeness. Tell me what you guys think in the comments, you know, especially coming off melatonin, you know, this is a whole nother vibe. It's more hype, while melatonin was super chill. Like it gets you hype, but it was chill. This one's just pure hype, you know? So yeah, I love y'all and I thank y'all for watching. JoJo out.